called Conversations with Food. It's called Conversations with Food.
Sounds great. Sounds great.
It's way past my bedtime. It's way past my bedtime.
No thanks. No thanks.
Carmen is playing at the City Opera. Carmen is playing at the City Opera.
Much are the tickets? Much are the tickets? You're kidding! You're kidding!
Movie then! Movie then! A Time to Run is playing at the Glenwood. A Time to Run is playing at the Glenwood.
Time to run, time to run, time to run. Oh, don't go to that. Oh, don't go to that. It's just awful. It's just awful.
How about you only live once? How about you only live once? It's playing at the Kendall. It's playing at the Kendall. It's playing at the Kendall. An actor's life. An actor's life. Left side of the street. Left side of the street.
I think there are no more tickets. I think there are no more tickets.
So what's a good movie to see? So what's a good movie to see?
There's a French film playing at the Bijou. There's a French film playing at the Bijou.
I'm not a French film fan. I'm not a French film fan.
It's a film about an opera singer. It's a film about an opera singer.
Five blocks to Harper Street. 5 blocks to Harper Street. Another 2 blocks. Another 2 blocks. It's across the street. It's across the street.